Hey, welcome to GarageMisadventures. Today, just a quick video. I wanted to talk about a tool I picked up recently. This is the Klutch Torque Multiplier set. I bought it from Northern Tool. It's one of the better deals I found out there for a torque multiplier. I bought it here a while back when I was working on some backhoe cylinders. Today, I'm working on this post vise. You can check that video out if that interests you. But this bolt right here is an 1.25 inch approximately bolt, and it is very seized. This whole jaw is very seized, and we're working on restoring it. So I just wanted to show you this torque multiplier. It has a 730 foot-pound max input with a 2200 foot-pound output, and it comes with a ratchet in a nice box. So it's actually a pretty good deal. It's 3/4 inch drive in, 1 inch drive out. So we're going to give it a try. I'm going to apply some heat to this nut, and we're going to see if we can't break this nut loose. Alright, so you turn the ratchet in the normal direction. The reaction bar here is going to try to move the opposite direction. So it needs to be somewhere solid. So it's going to anchor against there. It's just like butter. I tried a few minutes ago with just a ratchet in the socket, and I couldn't even get it to budge. And it took almost no effort to get this to break loose now through the torque multiplier. So yeah, this has been sitting in the mud for who knows how long. It's probably close to a 100-year-old tool, so I don't know how long it's been sitting out on the farm. I got it from corroding. So that bolt was 1.25 inches, and it was stuck on there, and it took very little effort with this tool. So obviously there are a lot of brand names out there. You can get different torque multipliers, but Northern Tool seems to always have a promotion going on, and with the ratchet included, really you can't beat the price if you're just doing an occasional hydraulic cylinder or something like that, and you just need some extra power to break those nuts loose, or break those gland nuts loose, or whatever you're doing. So check it out. It's the Klutch Torque Multiplier from Northern Tool. Not associated with them in any way. I just found a good deal. I was pretty happy with it, so hope this helped you out. Make sure you check out our other videos, like, drop us a comment, and subscribe for more tool content and restoration stuff. And thanks for watching GarageMisadventures.